everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another RV tour. It is yours truly, it's Heidi here with RV Roadway out of Calera, Alabama. Today, me and you are taking a look at the brand spanking new 2025 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2906BS. This floor plan right here is absolutely beautiful. As you know, Rockwoods are one of America's #1 favorite travel trailers. This brand has just always held its weight. Whenever you hear the name Rockwood, you think of all the high-end quality that comes with the Rockwood name. Millersburg made and very proud. We here at RV Roadway are so excited to introduce you to the brand new Rockwood 2906BS. All right, now that we're standing in the beautiful 2906BS, starting with the inside and making our way to the exterior of the coach, the interior looks absolutely gorgeous. Luxurious rear living couples coach floor plan that has so many creature comforts and amenities. Guys, let's just get right on into it. Okay, so as soon as you step into this unit, of course, your steps are on this little strut assist right here. So very easy to lift up and lift down. You're going to have, of course, your Lippert screenshot door right here. And then as soon as you walk in, you will notice your WeRV control panel right here. You can let your awnings in and out. Check the status of your tanks, lights on and off, slides in and out right here. And then boom, you are greeted with this beautiful rear living and kitchen floor plan. It is magnificent. Countertop extension right here for whenever you do need a little bit more countertop space. Kitchen looks really good. You get a 1.3 cubic foot built-in microwave oven that can fit a full size 11-inch dinner plate. You're going to get that oversized Magic Chef oven that Rockwood is always so good about, with your 3-burner cooktop, your Magic Chef oven range, of course, and then your brand new updated 2025 Magic Chef refrigerator that opens on both sides. So you can open it from right here. You can come over here and open it right here. And then you got the freezer, which is really neat. Now, my favorite part about this whole entire kitchen is the fact that you get this island right here that also has accent lighting to act like it's floating, with no sink in the middle. So this is just pure countertop space right here. I love this idea. Sink is tucked away nicely right here, and it looks so good. Backsplash is looking really nice, and you're going to get what looks like solid surface countertops. Matte black pull-out faucet with your undermounted farmhouse style sink right above your microwave. You got your Coleman Mach AC right here, and I have it on, by the way, and it feels amazing. Dual pendant lights above your kitchen island. Looks so beautiful. And of course, you got inverted outlets right here in your kitchen island. That way you can plug up your utensils and other things like that. Now, before we go any further, let's just read some of these features right here. You're going to see it comes with an 1800 watt inverter with outlets, shower miser water saving system in that shower. You're going to get the 15,000 BTU ducted AC, 200 watt 200 watt solar panel on the roof with a 30 amp solar charge controller, aluminum frame dinette and base, guys. Your bases, so your bed base, your dinette base is aluminum framed. You're going to get hybrid woven flooring in the slide outs, which is this right here. 21-inch gas oven, boom. And then, of course, your porcelain foot flush toilet, which we haven't made it that far, but those are some of the big highlights. Now, getting into the opposing slide out, ignore my tripod right there. You're going to see that you have the awesome Millersburg Collection movie theater setup right here, dual cup holders, wireless phone charger, hidden storage right here, so you can't argue over losing the TV remote. It is looking amazing. Blackout roller shades, and it even comes with the handy dandy sun blocking kind of shade. And then your blacked out shade. Right here, you're going to get a booth dinette that collapses down. This table is very easy to lift down to make into a sleeping spot for an extra camper. You get these thick cushions right here, very comfortable, and then you also get storage underneath as well. and that goes on both sides. Now, in the rear of the coach, you're going to have a hide-a-bed sofa right here, so this can sleep additional campers. As you can see, it comes with a beautiful pillow that says Millersburg made. Guys, they're so proud. It looks beautiful. Built-in end tables on both sides of the couch. You're also going to have built-in outlets, phone charging outlets as well with that USB and USB-C. It looks amazing. So this is a really beautiful setup back here. Wraparound windows around the whole entire coach. It looks magnificent. Now, making our way to the rear of the coach, you're going to have your dual entry bathroom. You can walk in through here or through your bedroom. You're going to have that U-shaped style shower, cornered foot flush toilet, plenty of walking around space, and you're going to have a huge sink vanity right here with plenty of countertop space as well. Medicine cabinet, of course, in your bathroom. Down below, you'll have a little bit of a storage for maybe toothbrushes and other things. You're going to have the Shower Miser water saving system in this bathroom as well, so you can save water. Linen storage right here, and what's even better is that you do get that skylight in that shower for additional headroom. You get built-in shelves as well, which is a neat feature, and you get a little rag holder right here to dry your hands off with. So the bathroom is very spacious. Looks real good. You even got a light right here for the lower vanity. GFCI outlet right there above that for hair dryers, shavers, and other things. And making our way into your front bedroom. Look at this, guys. Queen bed slide out. It looks absolutely magnificent. Dual reading lights on both sides of the bed with storage above. Windows on both sides. You do get this built-in end table right here on either side. If you had CPAP machines, needed to charge your phones, you are going to have storage underneath this bed as well. That you can access outside, as you can see right there. And you're going to have pull-out storage underneath this bed as well. Now, turning around, looking at all the linen space you have for your clothes, this is magnificent. You're going to get natural lighting in here, plenty of it. Your 30 amp solar charge control reader is right there, along with your TV outlet, GFCI outlet, satellite connection. Right here, you're going to have a solid surface style countertop with storage underneath. Hanging space right here. It is awesome. Pull out shelves down below. Not shelves, I'm sorry, pull out drawers. Storage alongside this wall as well with your windshield. This is going to be an automotive grade style windshield, of course. It is beautiful. Look out at that campground. See what's going on the outside. So, guys, what do you think about the inside so far? I am so intrigued to know. Now, let's go and check out the outside. What do you say? And now that we're on the exterior of the coach, as you can see, you're going to have this beautiful one-piece molded fiberglass front cap with an automotive grade style windshield, electric tongue jack up here with dual housing for dual propane tank housing right here. Battery is going to go directly right here, and you have a spot for two, and your battery disconnect is going to be right there, if you can see it. Now, coming on over here, let's talk numbers real quick before anything else. Dry weight, you're looking at 8,457 pounds. Length overall is coming in at 35 foot, 5 inches. And your GVWR is 9,900 pounds. And your cargo carrying capacity should never exceed 1,384 pounds. Now, you're going to get slide toppers over every single slide out in this beautiful Rockwood. On all four corners of the coach as well, you're also going to get these electric jacks right here, stabilizing jacks. This is a Lippert PSX2. You're going to get two motors on this electric jack right here. So if one goes out, you'll still have the other one. Two motors makes it go up and down a whole lot faster as well. Check that out. And all you have to do is hit the button to get it right back up. Simply amazing. Awesome feature. Gots to have that. Now you're going to have two electric powered awnings with LED lights on the exterior of this coach as well. You're going to get exterior speakers so you can listen to your music inside and outside. You're also going to have two griddle racks right here and right here. You do have, of course, your quick LP Connect directly right through there. You're going to have exterior outlets in the Furrion TV connection and a TV backer to hang up a TV as well. This is amazing. Now coming on down the coach, dual axle, of course. Coming on down the rear. This is a 50 amp unit, of course. Here's the other electric stabilizing jack you'll have in the rear. You do have a ladder leading up to that roof. Just service it every 90 days, and it does come equipped with a spare tire and a spare tire cover. Also equipped is the rear accessory hitch, and it is prepped for a backup camera, but it does not come with it. Making our way around, there once again is your 50 amp connection. And you're also going to have your slide toppers and rear storage right here. Opening that up and letting you see what you're working with. Good bit of storage right here. All of your water connections are going to be back here in the rear. Your hot and cold outdoor shower, low point drain, gray water holding tank, sewer outlet, cable satellite, city water. Everything is going to go back here. And then here is the access to the underneath of your bed through the exterior. There is your griddle. Aluminum bed base, guys. And slam latch baggage doors. Terrific. So, guys, what do you think of the brand spanking new 2906BS Rockwood? This is absolutely beautiful. This floor plan is one of my favorite that I've seen so far by Rockwood. We do have other floor plans, so feel free to go and look through our channel as we carry the Rockwood Ultralight, Rockwood Roo, Rockwood Minis. We have all the floor plans here located and available at RV Roadway in Calera, Alabama. I have our information up on the screen, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the very end. And per usual, we will see you next time.